Hello and welcome to the second episode of the Minecraft modding thing. Before we start, I just want to go over something that I forgot to say in the setup video. In that part where you had to install your Java, you had to go to this My Computer, Properties, Advanced System Settings, no, yeah, there, Advanced System Settings, not Device Manager, Environment Variables. You're supposed to set up this path, and then you're supposed to test out this path. So just go to your CMD, type in Java C, and you should get all that. If you don't get that, you have to delete this path. So you just hit delete there, or just leave it. I don't know. You want to scroll down here to system variables, go to the path here, edit, go all the way to the back. So just hold down your side arrow, go to the back, and then add in that line of thing. Okay? So, okay. So now, in this tutorial, open up Eclipse. We're going to start making a mod. To do this, we have to make a class file. And what do I have to call it? Yeah, okay. So you want to go to the MCP folder that we made last time. So this folder, I think. Pretty sure it's that one. So just open it. Just wait, yeah. Okay, so go to client, source, Minecraft, net.minecraft source, and then you have all your class files. You're going to want to go to File, New, Other, or you can just hit Control N, and Class File. Hit Next. I'm just going to ask you, what do you want to call your class? So I'm going to call mine mod. So you have to start off with mod underscore. So mod underscore rar. Uh, Wait, why is that working? Can I go new here? I'm sorry, I got a new version of, what's it called? You just right click new class. Yeah, it's supposed to have all this client stuff, so right click there, hit new class. Unless you have a class button up here. It just has this little green circle. So just call it mod underscore rar. Hit finish. And then your mod underscore rar.java file should be there. So we'll have package, all that just says what it is. It's a public class. So why aren't my numbers here? Show line numbers. Okay. So you want to start off with typing import. No, import. Java dot util dot capital R random. And then I think that's a semicolon. That just ends off the phrase. What's wrong here? Eclipse? No? You don't see any mistakes, do you? Huh? No? Okay, whatever. So now we'll want to extend the base mod. So to do that, you just type in extends, capital B for base, capital M for mod, and yeah, mod.rar. Control S. What's wrong here? Okay, never mind. We'll fix that later. So now we want to define our block. To do that, we type in public static final block, and then whatever you want your block to be. So which block am I gonna make? Aluminium? Does that grow in the earth? Titanium. How do you spell titanium? Titanium. You know, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go Google that. Is it recording? Think so. Okay, so titanium. Did I spell that right? Control V? Seems so. But that has to be a capital T. And don't worry if you're getting all these like little errors. Eclipse will try to fix them for you, but don't fix them unless I fix them. So equals new block, capital B, titanium. Please spell T-I-T-A-N-E-M. Okay. And now we want to put in the texture index, so 200 for some string trees, I don't know why. And then 0, because there's only going to be one texture for this block. Then dot set block name. Uh, parentheses? Is it parentheses? I think so. And then a quotation mark. Okay, T-I-T is that right? I think so. Uh, titanium ore, because that's gonna be an ore in the ground of earthness. Uh, then we want to do the hardness of a block, so set hardness. 1F, I think it is. For a 1F. The reason why it's 1F is because the hard. Okay, I forget what the F stands for, but the 1, that's just how hard it is. I believe that's the same hardness of coal. You can raise it to like 2 or 3 or 4, but I also do think that also decides what tool you would need to mine it. So we also have to set the resistance. So I guess that's for when creepers come out of nowhere and decide to blow up your mines or something like that. So resistance. They spell resistance R-E-S-I-S-T-A. Yeah. Then comma or parentheses 2 capital F. So that's the same thing as coal. Dot set light value for the light. So you can set up a little light thingy for it. I'm gonna put mine for, what should I put it as? 0.2 F, capital F. That is the same light value as a redstone torch. I'm just setting it up for the 0.2 F just for the sake of finding it. It'll be easier to. What? Keep the color scheme as. Don't show. Okay, whatever. Oh, Camtasia, you suck. Um, so yeah, this is the same light color valueness of a redstone torch. If you don't want it to have any light at all, just put it as 0F. But for the sake of finding it, like I said, I'm gonna put it there. And now that we're done here, just hit enter. And now we want to put up the void load, so public void load parentheses, and then a squiggly parentheses. I think since we didn't put anything in the parentheses, it just doesn't put anything for the void load. And I forget why you do that, but yeah. Now we want to set up texture, I think? Yeah, texture. So, oops, I need to hit shift. So titanium dot block index in texture. It's gonna give you a little thing here, but I don't like using those. No, not plus. Equals mod loaders, capital L and capital M, dot add override, so 2 R's, remember that. I always forget that. And then parentheses, quote, no, wait, yeah, we're gonna need a string, so slash terrain dot png, put a quote there with a space quote or just quote? I think it's just quote with titanium ore dot png. We need to put a slash there. Slash slash slash. Now that slash is there, we are done with the texture. Okay, good. Now we want to register the block's name. To do that, we do mod loader dot register block no titanium wait, no, parentheses. We need parentheses there. Parentheses. Okay, and I think that's it. Now we want to add a name. So mod loader dot register capital N name titanium ore and should we add generation? I'm gonna put generation as a tutorial after this just to save time because then we're gonna have to find it and all that. So let's put a crafting recipe. So that's mod loader dot add recipe comma new stack titanium ore what else? New stack titanium ore comma then I think the quantity of it and get out that there, put comma there, new object, wait, capital O, and I think space, I think, new object, then squares, then remove that parentheses, put a squiggly bracket, what's wrong here? Oh wait, I know what's wrong. Wait, no. I think it's, should I call it titanium ore? That's kind of long. And I think I should put space there. Space here too. No, that's the name. I'm just gonna call it titanium. I have no clue why it's getting ticked off at me. But now we have to add in a recipe. Now, build a recipe. Just scroll up, go to C's and look for crafting manager, I think it is. Yeah, crafting manager. Let me save this. Control S. We have a lot of errors. Okay, now just scroll down. I'm just gonna look for an easy one to copy. Don't have to change it all too much. This one's easy. Well, I want to use one that only uses. You know, screw it. Copy. So you want to copy all that. Control C. Control V it here. Now we're gonna remove block blanks and put that as dirt. Now we're gonna remove the X's and put 2 pounds in a space and remove a pound. Why don't you like it? Block dirt. That is not right. Could have sworn it's right. Wait. Do you like it now? Block dirt. What's wrong with block dirt? You know what? I'm gonna go see what's wrong. Okay, I figured it out. I had an S after news, and I think I just put stack. It should be item stack, capital I and S. And then we're all good here, I think. So we should have that. Do we have to type anything here? Don't think so. Type something here, I think. I think I have to type in the mod's name and version. So public's capital control string get capital V version parentheses squiggly squiggly thingy, then return uh uh let's call this titanium or okay, just titanium mod v 1.0 quotes thingy. Yeah. Now, why don't you like this? Mod loader register block titanium. Do I not have mod loader in this? What are some mod loader files? Mod loader. Texture animation class. Texture. I do have mod loader. What's this? What's the coding here? This isn't it. This is the more updated version of this. What's different here and there? Oh, I'm an idiot. How did I not see that? Capital L. Oh, and you don't like register name. Okay, maybe once we go make our new class, this will be good. We have to go now. It's 1:22. You know what? I'm gonna be right back.